Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I just want to share my experience. I just bought a really cool batteries. It's 12 amp. You see this? It's huge. This one I've been following like Home Depot, and they hardly have any sales for this one right here. It's usually $249, but luckily for some reason today I checked and they have it for $125. So let me go ahead and show you. We're gonna go check it out here. So I think as you can see, regular price is $249, but it's in store clearance price, and then you see $125, which is awesome deal. Because the last couple of times I missed out the 8 amp, right? I got like a couple, and I actually wanted more. And here's the 8 amp, and I'm gonna show you the 12 amp. You see, it's massive. So look at that, super big, huge. Right, is really nice. Compare the 12 amp to the 8 amp, and now you look at the 4 amp, right? And then you have the 3 amp. Big difference. So yeah, for some reason the 8 amp Ridgid battery, I think last week they were completely out. One time they had a lot, and then all of a sudden they were on a promotion for like I think 200 or 159. I'm not exactly sure, but you know I wanted to get the 8 amp and it was out. And then this one right here, the 6 amp, at one time it was down to like I think 111 for 2, which is an amazing deal. But for this one, the 12 amp, they hardly ever go on sale, right? So if you, let's see, check out another location, see where else they might have it. Maybe on Azusa. See this one. They don't have it. Okay, so that one they don't have. West Covina, they don't have it. Let's check out other nearby, and maybe see in one in Glendora. See if they have it. Let's see. Ooh, this one might have it. This one the one in Glendora, guys. They still got 3 over there, right? So if you're in the market for a Ridgid, I don't know how often they go on sale with the 12 amp. The 4 amp, the 3 amps, 6 amp, they go on sales quite a bit. The 8 amp, not quite. And then the 12 amp, which is hardly. So for me able to grab it, I'm really happy. I actually wanted 2, but you know they only actually when they only have 1, and I checked all the clearance section and everything too. So with these batteries here, you register within 90 days. And then it's get like a lifetime service agreement. So if you run into any issues with the battery, you can just log into the dashboard, open a claim. Then they send you like a prepaid label. Put it on, slap it on, drop it on FedEx. You get your battery back in about a week, which is, to me, I like it. I love it. Right. So I have Ridgid. I got DeWalt. I have to say the DeWalt batteries are quite more expensive, but so far I've been using Ridgid tool for the last long time, maybe more than 10 years, and I only did 1 claim. So I don't know if that's good or bad, you know what I mean? But the fact that I had a pleasant experience of filing a claim, which made me really happy. Of course, they could have done a little bit better, you know, streamline the process maybe a little quicker. Like I mentioned in that video, like the moment like they send me the label, or the moment that they see that I drop off the package FedEx, they should send me the other one. You know, that way they cut down like the downtime in half, rather than wait like 7 days. It could maybe 3 days, 4 days, who knows? But that would be more like a customer experience. Yeah, but other than that, if you are looking for a 12 amp Ridgid battery, don't hesitate. Glendora has 3 right now. So go grab it before someone else does it, okay? All right, guys, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.